Alright, y'all, sorry. Welcome back to the channel. Go ahead and make sure you smash that subscribe button. Also, go ahead and leave a comment as well as a like. Go ahead and turn on the post notification bells as well. Whew, that was a lot. Alright, now y'all, with this video, what we're going to be doing is my hair. Like I was saying, we're going to be doing some different hairstyles for you today. So if you have the curly hair or the wavy hair, or you have some hair that's damaged like mine, it's fine. We can go ahead and definitely do some cute styles as well. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, y'all, so right now I am working on day 3 or 4 here at the moment. Now if you see me looking this way, it is because I'm looking in the mirror, what I always do all the time. Anyways, I'm going to post a link to the last video up here somewhere, depending on if you're wanting to see a video on my damaged hair that I did, of things that you could do so that I can keep my hair from being damaged. Start with the comb right here, and I'm just going to part my hair down. This is actually one of my favorite ones. Usually I use bobby pins. Now my hair ties that I have are just, they're the little scrunchie like this. They're not scrunchies. I guess you could call this, it's not a scrunchie, but whatever this is called, because I have no idea. Y'all can definitely leave comments down at the bottom because I have no idea what this is. Now, depending on how you want your buns, I like my buns to be slicked. I like my hair to be slicked down and then the bun to be poofy. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is spray some of this on my hair. So also what I do is while I'm brushing this up, I actually go ahead and put my baby hairs. I lay them down so that they're out of the way, so they don't get in the way when I'm trying to do this. I like to have my buns extremely high, and because my ears are pretty pointy, they go up fairly high. Honestly, I just loop it around until it's tight, and then you just put it in the bun, thread it out.
A dream, I'm still waiting for a different sign, waiting for someone to take me away, get these thoughts off my mind as I wait.
Alright, now for the next style, we're just going to do a half up, half down look, which I like wearing this a lot too. So honestly, with the half up, half down, I really don't do any type of crazy part to my hair, just because of the fact that my hair is going to be half up, half down, and I have curls, so the part of my hair is thick. Hair just kind of, you know, does its own thing. As far as part wise, you won't be able to see it anyway, so.
On my own, but I don't know why. You hit the road, but you don't realize. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there.
Literally just go ahead and do the same thing as the half up, half down, but it is going to be a bun.
It sets me free.